installing and creating our first project. Nestjs have Nest CLI, which helps in creating the project. To install that, first we need to install Node.js. Go to the Node.js website and download the stable version. Now complete the setup process and install Node.js. Once Node.js is installed, open terminal or command prompt to verify. Type node-v. It will show you the version of Node.js installed. Now let's install the Nest CLI. In your terminal or command prompt, enter npm install -g at nestjs/cli. npm is a package manager for Node.js packages. Once completed, to verify, type nest-v. It will show you the version of Nest CLI installed. The Nest CLI is a powerful tool with various features. Type Nest and press enter to explore. Here you can create controllers, decorators, classes, filters, middleware, and much more. Now let's create our first project. Type Nest new project name. For now, I will give it as Nest app. You can select npm as a package manager. Press enter. Once done, let's go to the project folder and open it in the code editor. Now let's start the application. As you see, we have successfully started our application. See you in next video.